Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's a NASCAR kit, and yes, I'm going to build it. I have, like, not bragging, I have like somewhere over 700 model kits. My son was in here the other night and I said, you know what's crazy? I've got this many model kits and I can't decide what to build. And I kept looking up and I saw it and I'm like, nah. I look around. What about that? What about that? What about that? Nah. Had one over here on the bench. I was about to open it up and start on it. And I was like, nah, I just don't feel it right now. And looked back up, saw it again. And I said, you know what? Yeah, I think I will. And then, totally didn't even think about it at the time. I thought, you know, I could be in that group build. The Fred Henry Jeff's Model Car Garage group build. That Jeff right there. Jeff's Model Garage. The guy with the ferrets that Charlie Mack's best friends with. I know they're great buddies. But yeah, so I got this down and I was looking at it and I thought, you know, one reason that I picked this, bet you can't guess why I picked this one. Yeah, it's because it's just one color. Everything else is decals. My buddy Doug, if I think your name is pronounced Zinzer. Douglas Model Garage's videos. He sent me this up. It's been quite a while. And I thought, you know what? I've always liked the Kodak car. Thought it was cool. This is the Lumina, the AMT kit. This is a 1990 copyright, kit number 6727. And the decals are absolutely pristine. And I thought, you know, let's do it. So I opened it up. Lots of little parts. I've not built a NASCAR kit since I was a teenager. So here we go. So I'm throwing my hat, throwing it in the ring, so to speak. I want to build one, but it just so happens I can enter the group build. So thank you, Jeff, and thank you, Fred, for hosting that. I know that Acme is one of the themes is NASCAR, 75 years of NASCAR. I don't think I guess if it turns out nice, but being it's my first NASCAR in forever, I don't know how this is going to end up looking. So I'm going to work on it, going to build it, and I think I'm going to have fun. I've already started on it, by the way. Filing away, sanding away on the Lumina body, which is really cool. They had an Oldsmobile before this. I think Ernie Irvan may even drove the Oldsmobile too, but this is Ernie Irvan. And I think it's Kevin McClure, who was the owner of the McClure Racing, I think is who owned this team at the time. But yeah, and I didn't do a monogram. I'm doing an AMT, so it's 1/25th scale, which is a lot of people love to build the monogram kits, but you know, this is AMT, so it's what we're gonna build. And I just wanted to, like I say, let everybody know that I'm going to participate in this group build. So this is me. Group builds, I've never really taken part in one except for the USAC build. That's the only group build I've ever done, and I always feel like if I'm in a group build, I've got to build what they want to build. So kind of selfish of me, I guess, but I know those people have so much fun with those group builds, and I want to have fun with this. So I'll post, this is just my entry video. I'll post updates and see how that thing turns out. I can't wait. There's nothing glued together. It's just sitting on the bench. I cut all the parts off. And yeah, it's going to be cool. So again, thank you, Jeff. Thank you, Fred. And thanks to everyone else. I had a comment the other day from someone, I don't remember who, and they said, build a NASCAR. And I just blew that comment off. I mean, I read it and I appreciate the comments, but I was like, hey, no way I'm building a NASCAR. They don't interest me. But I might you know, if this thing goes well, it may be a bug that I catch. I don't know. I've got quite a few NASCAR kits that, and many of them has been gifted to me, and I'm grateful for that. But yeah, here it is. So y'all wish me luck. And oh, one other thing, man, I'm glad I thought of this. What color yellow is this? Because I can't find it. I think I'm going to mix it myself. I've got yellows and I got whites and stuff like that, and I can make a yellow color, and I can darken it and all that stuff. But I have no idea what color yellow this is, and maybe you guys can let me know. But probably by then I already have it painted or something. So, anyways, still in the comments, let me know what color, if you know what color the Kodak car was, what color yellow. I can't find a color for it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your support. Check out Hobby Nut Models, the Facebook group, the Patreon page, and the Spring Store. And we'll see you soon. All right? See ya. Bye.